So hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I have this budget price segment AirPods from Boat. So I will unbox it and give you my first impressions regarding this product. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Here we get a square box with the Boat branding on right and branding of AirPods 441 on left. Then on the either side of the box, you can access some of its key specifications such as 500 mAh case charging, 6mm drivers, IP67 water ratings, one touch voice assistant and advanced captive touch control. And at the back you can access some of its manufacturing details. So let's start with the unboxing. So when you open up this box, you get the AirPods right on the front. Let's keep it aside. When you remove this section, you get some of its documentation such as the warranty card, the loyalty card of Boat, plus the reading manual to set up the device. You also get this small section. So let's find out what is inside it. So when you open the section, you will get a charging dock and some of the extra earpieces. So let's straight away move towards these AirPods. Here we get our Boat AirPod 441 case with the Boat branding at front. On back we get our charging port and we can easily align this charger by putting this in this port, and we can connect this lead with any of the adapter available in our house. Also in the front we get our LED light. Here it is blue. This indicates that the case is fully charged. When it indicates purple light, this means that the battery is between 50 to 70%. And when it indicates red light, this means it is less than 20. At the back of the case, we get some of its battery details such as 500 mAh battery, and it is recommended to use a 3.7 volt charger. Inside the case, we also get a plastic coating which is shiny. It looks good, but the in-hand feel is not so premium. The earpiece is also made up of polycarbonate body and also has a rubber sheet all around itself, which makes it really comfortable to wear it. Also, the earpiece is of medium size and we get the charging terminals here. And at the front we get the sensor, which is really useful. The pairing work of Boat AirPods 441 is really smooth and easy. You just need to switch on your Bluetooth and the name of Boat AirPods 441 will arrive, and you need to just simply click on it, and that's it. It is connected. So let me show you how the sensor of this AirPod works. When you single tap on this touch sensor, you can pause and play the music. Also, when you double tap on this, you can change to the next song. Look, it is really simple and easy. So this is how the touch sensor of Boat AirPods 441 works. So let me show you some of its sound quality demo. Hear it carefully. So overall, this product is good, but there is one con that I observed in this product. That is, when I raise the volume, then the sound becomes cracky and it becomes really unpleasant to hear it. So guys, only this much for this video. If you like our videos, then please consider subscribing our channel and hit that like button because it motivates a lot. Thank you. See you all in the next video.